Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, API key, rate limits, and your account permissions. Once done, load a compact CSV with tickers, timeframe, and initial parameters so the model has concrete inputs. Make sure to store keys and environment variables and enable logging to capture prompts and responses. Begin with a single ticker and 1/2 trading day of data to validate prompts. This first step prevents wasted requests and gives you a reproducible baseline to iterate from. You now build the core. Craft a prompt template that includes context, precise task, constraints, and one example. Once done, stream historical data in batches, feeding the model only the window it needs to avoid hitting limits. Validate each output against rule-based sanity checks and convert the model text to structured signals. Then apply risk rules, position sizing, stop loss, and run a short backtest. Make iterative prompt edits based on failure modes and edge cases you observe. You finish by automating the pipeline and running a dry run to confirm behavior without real orders. Once confident, enable live execution with strict risk caps and continuous monitoring for latency, slippage, and model drift. Make sure to schedule prompt reviews weekly. If something breaks, revert to the baseline prompt and replay logs to isolate the change, then patch inputs or constraints. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a safe switch to pause execution and return to the validated baseline prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.